Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sor YouTube channel. In this video, you will know the best programming language for freshers or BTech graduates. So let us discuss one by one the best programming language who want to learn as a fresher. The first one is Python. Python is general purpose high level programming language. It is object oriented, functional, reflective and imperative programming language. It got appeared in the year 1991. It was designed by Guido van Rossum and developed by Python Software Foundation. The second one is Java. Java is a high level programming language which was developed by James Gosling. This language was first released in the year 1995. Java language is much influenced by the languages such as C and C++, resembling it is most of the syntax. When we talk about its principles, it is one of the simple object-oriented programming language. It is secure and more robust than any other languages. It is portable and architecture neutral, which is one of the most plus point for its number 2 spot. It is high performance extends its usability to more of the developers out there. It is the only language which most dynamic, threaded and interpreted. It is one feature that is automatic memory management leads it to far high compared to other programming languages. The third one is C++. C++ is general purpose programming language. It was designed and developed by Bastian Storostrup. It was first available in the year 1983. It is middle level language, that means it combination of a high level language and a low level language. The language is an enhancement over C. It was initially named with C with classes. The fourth one is JavaScript. JavaScript is a functional programming language. It is an extension of ECMA script. It came into being in the year 1995. It was designed by Brendan Eich and developed by Netscape Communications Corporation's Mozilla Foundations. It is a dynamic, weak, and duck prototype based language. It provides action to web pages. The fifth one is PHP. PHP is a very much scripting language. It was basically designed for web development to produce dynamic web pages. Generally, PHP code is embedded with HTML, which has been interpreted by the web server to develop a dynamic web page. It was designed by Rasmus Lodroff and developed by PHP Group. The sixth one is C Sharp. C Sharp is yet another most powerful language after Java, designed and developed by Microsoft, which appeared in the year 2001. It is one of the languages which is multi-paradigm, encompassing the features like imperative, functional, object-oriented, structured, and component-oriented. It is mostly influenced by Java. It is secure, dynamic, and threaded. So that's all about some of the best programming languages after completion of BTech or MTech or graduate engineers. So you can learn either one programming language to get into IT software environment. So that's all about some of the best programming languages who want to learn after completion of their graduation. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more latest videos. So, and like our videos and share to your friends. So thank you for visit. Have a nice day.